What's up, guys? This is What's Sold Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We had a pretty good weekend. Hopefully you guys had a good weekend too. I'm making you dizzy by going back and forth, but hey, I'll figure it out. All right, guys, let's see what we sold. We sold a Sarah bulger. I think there's a photo from Once Upon a Time. Series. I think it's probably in, I don't know if it's in this one or not. Might be in my series one, yeah. All right, let's check here. I think I saw it right there. There we go. We ended up picking this up for about $10. We sold it for $18.88, and it's certified by Leaf. We got the train a-coming. We sold a Walk in the Woods. There you go. We actually sold two of these. We sold two Walk in the Woods. We picked these up at the Dollar Tree for $1 a piece, and we sold them for $9.99. And like I said, we sold two today to two different people. We sold Robin Hood, The Adventures of Robin Hood. Right there, it's sealed. We paid $1 for this at a pawn shop. We sold it for $14.28. Sometimes when I make offers, I make funny little numbers that make no sense. So that was an offer I made to somebody. The Elvis Comeback Special. There's Elvis right there. We picked that up at a pawn shop for $1. No, actually, we got that at Peddler's Junction. We paid $2 for it. We sold it for $19.99. So that was a pretty good flip. That was used also. We sold a Katie's Cigar. I believe it might be in here. Yeah, it was the Sons of Anarchy. There's so there we go. Katie Cigar. We bought this off one of our autograph friends. It's not a very good photo. There we go. Bought this off one of our autograph friends on Facebook. Yeah, I think we paid $12 for it, and we sold it for $29.99 today. I think I had $39.99 on it, and I gave somebody a $10 discount. We sold another one of those Mr. Wonderfuls. If you recall, yesterday or day before, whenever we did this, we sold one of these. This is our second one we sold in the past like 3 days. We paid this, came out at $1 a lot. We bought, well, less than $1 because we've got 75 DVDs for $50. And we got $9.99 for this one. Jesse Stone. Let's see. I know it's one of these. I'm trying to think. Let me look and see. Jesse Stone Volume 1. I think this might be another one that came in that lot that we had like $1 in. But we sold this within like 2 days. And we sold it for $10.99. We sold this. Katsu, The Fugitive. That was used. We paid $1 for it at a pawn shop, and we got $24.99 for it. Don't know where we put these, but we sold it was a concert ticket. This is kind of where I put all the hodgepodge kind of stuff. Nope, those are the pit pass, autograph pit passes. Let's see, that's Rock on the Range. What's that say? That's Head. It's Alice in Chains. Let me look through these a little bit. We found the right ticket. There's Rock on the Range from 2012. We sold it for $9.99. We ended up buying, I don't know, several tickets and a backstage pass and some other stuff. And one of the items was signed by Korn, and I sold it for 60 bucks already. I paid 10 for everything. So all this stuff here is just gravy. But there was some really good bands at this. I had Rob Zombie, Marilyn Manson, Megadeth, Incubus, Chevelle, Theory of a Dead Man, Hailstorm. There was tons of good bands. Bobo Flex played on the ticket. Yeah, that was a good show, 2012. Anyway, like I said, it was basically free. We got 10 bucks for it. All right, we sold a Flying Tigers. That was a John Wayne, there it is, John Wayne movie. It was sealed. We picked that up for $1. And we sold it for $11.99. I love selling these sealed DVDs. We sold a Forbidden Planet. One off. Forbidden Planet. There we go. It was still sealed. We picked that up for $1.50 at the pawn shop. And I think we sold it for $19.99. Let me check. Let's see. Forbidden Planet 1888. So that was a pretty good flip. We just bought this the other day and we listed it Saturday night, I think. Last night, I think it was. It was this Food Saver. We found this last night after work. It's we paid $4 for it. It's never been opened, and we got $39.99 for it. We love dead old stock, new old stock. We love that. Starship Hoopla something. Is this it? Maybe. Hey, look at that. Keep deep in the hoopla. We paid 50 cents for that at Peddler's Junction when we bought a whole bunch of CDs. And we sold that one for $11.99. It was used. We haven't sold one of these girls in a while. Here's all those superheroes I got. I paid 50 cents a piece for. And we sold one of the girls today for $11.29 or $11.39. But yeah, we had 50 cents in that. So that was good. We sold a Raya Heap. Can't remember how long ago that was. Don't think it was very long, so it should be like right in here, I think. There we go. That's another ones we paid 50 cents for at Peddler's Junction, and we sold this for, let's see, $25.99. Love it when a plan comes together. Sold a Max and Ruby Trick or Treat. It was sealed. We picked that up for $1 at the Dollar Tree, and we sold it for $9.49. Picked up this dinosaur game. I think we picked this up Friday or Saturday. It only took like a day to sell. I think we paid $3.99 for this. It was still sealed. And we sold it for, let's find out. Dino Game $14.24. And it was shipped first class. It's really small. Haunted History. Haunted History 2-stone right there. That is used. We paid $1 for that at a pawn shop. We sold it for $10.99. I love getting these History Channel things. They are great. They sell really well. Gremlins. We've sold so many of these Gremlins. We bought 5 or 10 of these at the Dollar Tree. And there we go. This is our very last one. Oh man, hopefully that was in the picture. But this is our last one, and we sold it for $9.99. No, $14.99 with shipping. We sold a Vixen DVD. Bought a few of these, and I've sold a couple of these already. I'd never heard of it before. I should have bought more of them. I didn't know how well they would sell. But we sold that. We paid $1 for it at the Dollar Tree, and we sold it for $8.49. I actually passed up about 5 of these. I should have bought them. We sold a belt buckle, and it's right there. We ended up paying $1 for this. We bought like 18 belt buckles off a guy for $18. We ended up selling this particular belt buckle for $18.88. All right, we sold an Abbot and Costello. Hey, Abbot! Who's on first? What? What's on first? I don't know. I don't know the gag, but you guys know the gag. It's sealed. Abbot and Costello, who's on first? We paid $1 for this. I think it came out of that 50 sealed lot that we got. So we have less than $1 in it. We sold it for $9.99. We sold a lot of DVDs and stuff today. Styx. We sold a Styx concert video. Where'd you go? That's Sinatra, that's not Styx. I think I know the difference. This was used. It was Styx and REO Speedwagon Live. And we paid $2 for it at Peddler's Junction. And we sold it for $19.99. Now you know I didn't mind paying $2 for it. Merlin. I think it's a DVD, I thought. I don't see it there. See, that's the Blu-ray. Let me double check. It was the Merlin Blu-ray. For some reason I had DVD written down. We paid $1 for that at the Dollar Tree. It was a Merlin season, one of the seasons, 5th season. We paid $1 for it. We sold it for $9.99, I believe. We sold a computer game. I had like $79 on this game, just because I was trying to see what I could get out of it. It was sealed. It has a little stray thing off of it. Hopefully that was... I don't know if I'm tearing these things up in storage or they were like that when I put them in there. But anyway, I got $55 for this one. Hopefully that's another return coming back. But that's a hard one to find right there. I had $79.99 on it, and I took a best offer of $50 plus $5 shipping.